No! I said no to this! Goodbye! Farewell, good luck! I'm still here, I haven't left yet. The door is actually knocking. I think I'm stuck here for a while. The gas is coming in, so I guess I'll just keep talking. I'll see you on the other side. No! No, you can't do it! I won't do it. Hey, get out of here! This is my truth booth! Get out of my truth booth! No! No! That was pretend. They haven't come in yet, but I was doing a drill in my mind just to make sure I was ready for it. I'm ready for it! Okay, now they're coming in for real! Now! Get out of my truth booth! Now! Now! Remember my truth! Remember my truth, I said!